Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you could join at patreon.com/, but I'm not a trader before all the slots fill up because they are filling up and there's a cap now. So please subscribe if you want to. If you don't, that's pretty cool too. Doesn't matter. Um, I did make a video yesterday. I didn't actually upload it because I actually did not record it with sound, but I did say that we were going to run up to a 503 and then possibly tank. We didn't actually tank. We actually stopped at mid channel, right? And you're just starting to come back up. So I can see two things happening for today. I do think we're headed a little bit higher, right? Up to 503 again, possibly, right? Unless you decide to, oh, I got a hair in my mouth. Unless you decide to give up this this whole move to the upside right now, right? So yeah, so this little spike here, back from five. Unless there was it a news today? I actually have no idea because otherwise, why would there be a little spike right here, right? So I would actually really like to short this, but we are on liquid on the 15-minute here, so shorter term, right? I'd definitely be open to shorting this right here, only if you actually have like a 15-minute bear trigger come down from here, right? But again, I don't really like taking what is it called? Taking entries on anything unless there's like a minimum of 15-minute trigger, right? So at least here, right? From here, this right here, right? You hit top of channel. I would have taken this short at least down to mid channel, right? And then possibly I would have not entered anything here because you didn't actually go all the way down to the stochastic. But I could see a bunch of things happen. You have an hour to break this. I think today, I don't know, you're still here. And the fact that you actually pushed up from here is kind of funky. I didn't actually think you were going to push up from this 500. I thought you were going to keep dropping. I think you could possibly do one of two things. Right. Let me see. 24. You're on a bull trigger on there. This one, you're still pushing up. 30 minutes. Still bullish. Yeah, everything still looks pretty bullish, honestly. So I'd argue that you could. I mean, it does look like you're going to do this. Either this and come back down to 501 again, or you're going to break this and go up here. And at this level, right? Let's see. Do you have anything more up here? Yeah, I don't know. I could see something like this happening today because they're still technically very bullish towards the upside, right? So I could definitely see either a push up to 503 and down, or push up to 503 and then you keep pushing to 506. As far as where, I wouldn't actually take. I would take shorts on the fifth. If you actually hit this 503 again, right? I would definitely run shorts here, all the way back down. Because if you reject this high, I do think we're probably going to come back down to lows, right? So where's the low? Right down to mid channel. So back to like 496. So yeah, I think you either give up this whole candle and you push down, or you push up a little bit and you come back down. But as far as being more bullish towards the upside, I think there's like an 80% chance that you go up to 503 or you give up this candle and drop. There's like a 10% chance, maybe 10-20% chance that you keep pushing to 506. But I think I'm more on the bear side right now, where you push up a little bit more to 503 and either dive, or you give up this whole candle and dive to 496. And I'm less bearish towards the upside, right? And again, we're still on that 2-week bear trigger, right? We're still on that 2-week right here, right? Close that 2-week at 520, massively dropped. I think you could possibly recover a little bit, but overall, I'm still insanely bearish to the lower side. So again, while I do think that you can push a little bit higher, I think one of two things happens, right? You keep pushing towards 503, reject this and come down, or you keep pushing and you push up, right? But I think there's a less likely chance that you keep pushing up to like a 506, because if you do break this top of channel, I do think you're headed to 506, right? Whatever way you look at this, if you break this channel up here, you're headed to 506. So you need to have like some nice 4-hour candles close up here in order in order to stay bullish, right? So you have to close like a 4-hour candle, like here. I'll show you guys. Up here, you have to close something like this, right? Something like that, maybe. Settings, extend right. Change this to blue. Change this to blue. And like that. There you go. You have to close the candle up here like this, right? And then you can probably push to like 506. You need to have like a nice little candle close to the upside. But yeah, I think I'm more bearish than bull right now. I do think there's a chance to either give up this whole candle and push down, or you push up to 503 and then you come back down. So I guess that's pretty much what I'm thinking now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.